What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be learning how to use Filmr, which is an app for video editing for completely free. So before we begin this video, I would like to say I'm sorry for it being vertical, but the app only works in vertical. Well, you can work it in horizontal view, but it doesn't look as good. So the first thing you are going to do is get this app called Filmr, which is film with an R on the end, right? We're going to open it up. It's going to bring you, first things first, is going to say you want the pro version. So it's $5 a week, which is more than like Netflix. So why are we going to pay that for some like software that's probably not even that good? So we're going to exit out of there. We're going to use this free version. So what we're going to do is we're going to, so here's some of my projects. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new video. We're just going to use this picture here. Set it, whatever. And say we want to add some effects to it, right? We're going to hit this. We're going to go to see effects. And as you can see, a lot of these have the green icon on it, which means you need the pro version to get it. But it lets you preview it. So what you could do is you can just hit the X whenever it pops up, and you can like see all this stuff, it's. So say we're going to do this one, right? We're going to exit out. We're going to say we want to share it, right? It's going to say you have pro features. That's simple enough. All we need to do is exit out, just screen record this, and then save it to your videos, since it's showing you the preview of it, and then boom, you got all the features for free. I hope this helped anyone who wants to edit their videos. That's all for today. See you in the next video.